Students, today we will learn about the structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere has 5 distinct layers. First one is troposphere. Second one is stratosphere. Next one is mesosphere. The third layer of the atmosphere is mesosphere. Then we have thermosphere. And last one is exosphere. So first we will discuss about the first layer, that is troposphere. Troposphere, this word comes from the word tropen. Tropen is a Greek word which means turn or change. Now why we use this word change or the Greek word tropen? Because first thing is that troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere and also the most important layer. This is the densest layer of the atmosphere. Its thickness varies from 8 km to 18 km. So 8 km over the poles and 18 km over the equator. In this layer, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases with height. When we go up, the temperature decreases. So we can say in this layer the temperature decreases with height, but we have a certain amount, that is in every 165 kilometer of height, in every 165 kilometer of height there is a fall of 1 degree Celsius of temperature. So this is also called the normal lapse rate or lapse rate. So the rate at which the temperature drops is 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter is called lapse rate. And all other weather phenomena like clouds, rainfall, storms, etc. occur in this layer. So the last characteristics of this layer, that between troposphere and stratosphere we have a boundary, that is tropopause. So this is about troposphere. Next we will move on to stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. This layer is just above the troposphere but below of mesosphere. The temperature is constant here. The temperature is constant in the lower part. It is about 0 degree at 50 kilometer of height. Here about 0 degree Celsius. But here when we rises up here in this layer, the temperature increases just opposite of the troposphere. The temperature is constant in the lower part but increases in the higher part, and it is about 0 degree Celsius here in 50 kilometer of height. This increase in temperature is because of the absorption of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays by the ozone gas. Here near about 30 kilometer, here we have the layer called ozone layer. We all know about this ozone layer because this ozone layer you know that it receives the ultraviolet rays from the sun. That is why this stratosphere is also known as the ozonosphere. And the next characteristics, that is here the convection currents of air also absent here in this layer. The convection currents of air is also absent, so all sorts of weather phenomena is not there in this layer. So that is the reason why the jet planes find in this layer. Same like tropopause, here we have a boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere called stratopause. So in the next video we will start from mesosphere.